Cryptocurrency can be extremely dangerous. A lot of people lose a lot of money, whether it's a bad investment, whether it's a pump and dump, whether it's just a flat out scam. And that all boils down to the same mistake. They're investing into things that do not make sense, that have no purpose, no value. Dogecoin has no purpose. It's just a coin that someone created as a meme. People put money into it and people take money out. Now that's gambling. We're investors. We invest into silver because it's scarce, because it's used for so many different things, because it's a store of value, it's a hedge against inflation, because the dollar's collapsing. There are cryptocurrencies that have that same type of narrative though, folks. People are just throwing money at these altcoins hoping it sticks. That's not gonna work. We're about to check out a crypto that makes sense with a lot of opportunity, so stick around. Now, the crypto we're going to be going over in this video is gold secured currency, also known as GSX. Now, before you throw out your assumptions or your biased opinion or stereotyping, whatever, just watch this video before you say anything, or you might sound silly, because this company has done more than any other crypto that I've ever known. And this is a 5-year roadmap from 2019 to 2024, everything they have done, they are doing, and what they're going to do. And not only have they proved themselves and done every single thing they said to an amazing degree, but their plans are just mind-blowing. I'm not even kidding. They said they were going to make a crypto exchange, Knox. They did that, Knox Wire, and it's right here. You can buy GSX on there. You can do anything on there. They said they were going to make a mobile app where you could play video games, kind of like Gold, and exchange them. Gold Inc. It's an app on Android and iOS. They said they were going to make a Facebook/Amazon Marketplace/incorporated crypto exchange in there. They did that, Stratus.co. They said that they were going to start a second mining location, starting to mine other precious metals. They did that. They posted geological reports. They said that they were going to do XYZ, and they've done it all, folks. I've been keeping up. They post daily updates every single day. Every single day, they post updates about GSX. I've never seen another cryptocurrency that is so transparent, that updates their audience or their investors to such a crazy degree. It's almost unreal. This is their roadmap though. They have in 2019, they did their alluvial gold mining operation. Then they had the phase 1 of the pre-sale. This is about the time I got into it. And then you could see they got their Zambia mining project. You could see their GSS first market use case in South Africa, which GSX is an actual currency now. And when I say it's an actual currency, I mean that in the most literal way possible. Here's a menu from some place called the Jam Tree. They had a GSX bottle promotion where you could buy drinks with actual GSX. For instance, here's Johnny Walker Gold, price is $125, and you could send 1,725 GSX to buy that. Now, it goes beyond just drinks though. They have shops that accept GSX as their currency. They held a golf tournament, and you can even see that they have banners and stuff. This was an actual golf tournament that they held, bringing people together, just promoting this gold secured currency crypto. It is so next level that I can't even try to explain how revolutionary this really is. So just to keep moving on, they also had their successful first GSX market use case, South Africa, mass adoption of GSX by markets in Zimbabwe, the gold shaft mining contract in Zimbabwe. And then 2022, the Knox Wire partnership for adoption of GSX by large-scale financial institutions. They had the Visitor Center in Zimbabwe, mining claim certificates of mining claim for 2,600 acres for copper and gold. They also have Q2, their mass adoption of GSX throughout Zimbabwe, open cast gold mine, Zambia mine to begin production. Like, this is not made up. Their YouTube channel, even. We can go on their YouTube channel. They post a lot of this stuff. They also, a lot of times, if you even want to go on Twitter, wherever, they post a lot of the actual mines. I've posted footage of some of these mining sites before. They're going to open a visitor center at some of these mining sites. You can see on Coinbase they list it, and you can't buy it on Coinbase. You can buy it a lot of different places though. If you go to CoinMarketCap, you can see that it is sold. Bitmart, xt.com, CoinTiger. I know you could buy it on you can also buy it on Knox. Here, I'm sure there's on here it shows as well. Yeah, you can buy it on Knox, which is their own crypto exchange they made. CoinSuper, Bitmart, XT, lots of different places, right? And that's an actual crypto where you can buy it, you can hold it, sell it, trade it right there if you want. Do whatever you want. Not only is it a coin on an exchange that you can buy, sell, trade, hold, whatever you want, they are putting a lot of money into these claims to get this land. They are literally mining gold out of the ground, which that gold then backs the coin. It's trust backed, it's asset backed, and the more gold they dig out of the ground, which also copper and all these other things goes into the coin, mass adoption. It's also a growth coin, which is different than a crypto and an investment coin. Continual increase in asset value of land and gold backing GSX, but it's also audited by third parties. It's so much more than that, though. I mean, there's so much to this that I can't even try to explain how big this is without sounding silly, because I'm not really into crypto to that extent, but they're doing a lot. And I stopped at 2022. I hadn't even got into 2023, where they're going to start the construction at the metals refinery, and then the minimum asset backing goal of $20 billion, expansion into nickel mining operations the third quarter of 2023. 2024, they're going to look at other metal mining operations. They're looking at the minimum asset backing goal of $30 billion, then lithium mining operations. It's been featured on Forbes, NASDAQ, Yahoo Finance, a lot of different places, Fox Business. I mean, just to show, I know there's a lot of information hitting you in the face at once. I'm just trying to show you that there's a company out there that is doing things far, far beyond any other company. Apollo FinTech is doing things to a degree that nobody can even come close to. Like I'm saying, they have done more in the 2-3 years than most companies have done since the beginning of Bitcoin for 10-15 years. I've never seen, and the craziest part is they update you every single day on what's happening. Every single day they update you on this stuff. It's not just like, oh, they said something 1 month and they haven't put out any proof that they did it. No, everything they say, they will post that day. They'll post pictures or videos of it. They'll show it. They'll show the statistics. They'll show everything. Right? Here's the thing of all the different businesses that accept GSX as real currency now. I mean, it's insane. It's insane. This is one of their gold mines. It's honestly unbelievable. Here's another one of their gold mines. This is their golf day they held. I just can't explain how cool this company is to see someone doing it as big as them. And especially since I caught this so early on, a lot of people were saying, there's no way. This is impossible. They're proving it. They're proving it. So if you do want to check GSX out, this is a huge update since they posted the roadmap. That's why I wanted to make this video, because the roadmap explains it all. I love that they updated the roadmap, because they had their original roadmap, but I was like, okay, now let's see what the next projects are. I know they had a Zimbabwe mining project that they were going to start this year, and I was excited to hear about that, but what else? Now we know. So yeah, I'm going to wrap this video up here. If you want to check them out, I recommend buying GSX on Bitmart. That's probably the best place, the easiest place. Just go to Bitmart, just search for GSX, or if you even type in like GSX Bitmart, like in Google search. You can also buy it other places, like they said, CoinSuper or XT Coin. I've never used those exchanges. I've always used Bitmart and Coinbase. Coinbase doesn't have it as an actual coin you can purchase, but they do have it listed on here. And I think CoinMarketCap also shows some other places. Yeah, CoinTiger. But yeah, I definitely think you should look into it. It's something that is much bigger than we can all comprehend put together. And I really want you guys to show that, yo, this is legit. They are doing what they're saying and they're doing it big. So keep an eye out. Thanks for tuning in. This is Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.